Are you ready to sell your first investment property, but not sure where to start? Let's make it simple and profitable, of course. At Blue Coast Realty, we're your trusted experts in the Sarnia Lambton real estate market for first time investors to experienced sellers. We are here to help you navigate the Sarnia Lambton housing market with personalized service and, well, local know how. Selling an investment property in Ontario is different from selling your family home. There are more rules, more steps, and more opportunity if you do it right. Start with the basics. Is it the right time to sell? The Canadian housing market is always moving, so timing can make a big difference in your return. Then get clear on your finances. Talk to a tax expert about maybe possible capital gains and review your mortgage to avoid surprises like early payout penalties. Next, make the property shine. A clean, well kept home will attract more buyers, whether they're first time or a fellow investor. A few simple updates can seriously boost the sale price. And when it comes to pricing, don't guess. We use local data from across Sarnia Lambton to price your property just right and get it sold fast. Finally, you need great marketing. Think photos, professionals, advertising, targeted promotions, and showcasing your listing to buyers across Ontario and beyond. Selling your first investment property doesn't have to be stressful. And for tailored advice and the latest insights on selling a home in Sarnia Lambton, reach out to Blue Coast Realty and welcome home to the Blue Coast.